Okay, आज का सुबह का सच. First of all, before I begin, thank you so much for all the love and care. I was not well yesterday and I couldn't do the video, and I received a lot of messages to take care of myself, which I have done, and I'm back in action. So without delaying, let's start आज का सुबह का सच. Okay, today I'm going to cover a topic which I'm not expert at, but I have learned through the time, and I will tell you later on in the video whom I have learned it from also. The most important thing during this COVID-19, which I have realized myself as well, is to take care of yourself. And taking care of yourself comes as self-care. The self-care is very broad, and some of us don't identify or even don't know how to do it. But there are 8 important types of self-care which I have learned and realized it and applied it in my life also. So the first one being physical self-care, which means taking care of your body, taking care of your health, taking care of your sleep, taking care of your food habits. All that comes in physical self-care. If you don't take care of yourself, have a fixed routine on taking breakfast, lunch, dinner, and having 8 hours of sleep, you're not doing justice to your body, and ultimately the body will give up. So I would request everybody who's at home, please fix a routine and take care of yourself, and that will be the first type of self-care. The second one being emotional self-care, which is taking care of your stress management, taking care of your anger management, having a compassion, emotional maturity. All this comes in the emotional self-care, and everybody don't realize, but because of this too much of things happening in this last 4 months, people forget to point it out as a self-care, and people don't apply that, and people act or overreact. Unless until you don't do emotional self-care of yourself, you will be never be able to do for the people around you. So make sure that you emotionally take care of yourself and have a self-care. The third important self-care is social. Social means having a proper communication, asking for help around people, from friends and families, having a support system around you, having a social media communication with your friends and families. It cheers you up. It kind of have a self-care automatically. I'm not saying overdo it, but have a connection with your friends and families. I'll give an example about myself, that if when I was not well yesterday, the kind of things which cheered me up is not something which is medicine or anything. The calls which I received from people, the messages which I received from people, and the WhatsApp video calls which I received, all this made me come back to my routine. Coming out of that mindset, it also helps to be socially connected with your closed ones. Not to overdo it, but with the closed one, you should have a proper communication. You should ask for help. There is no harm in asking for help. It is a part of being or taking self-care. The fourth one being, which most of us want to do it, but they don't have scheduled time to do it, is spiritually self-care, which means routine of doing yoga, meditation, having a kind of a walk, or taking care of yourself, listening to good things, positive things, motivational things, which will keep your mind spiritually active, is something which you should do as a part of being self-care. And even 1 hour in this 24 hours being connected to the spirituality helps you, either in the early morning or in the late night. I listen to a lot of positive affirmations before I go to sleep, so that it keeps my mind positive when I wake up. So you can listen to, there are a lot of free affirmation YouTube videos or podcast available. Search for it, identify and listen to that affirmations before you go to sleep. So entire day, irrespective of, because let us realize that even working from home, a lot of you are going through that stress of working too much, even more than what you were working in the office. So all this things help you to take care of yourself and having a self-care, rather than your mind fragiling over only work related stuff. The fifth one being personal self-care, which is very important, and it gives you the relaxation which you want, which is identifying and doing your hobbies, knowing yourself, and having a personal identity. Now in that 24 hours, as I said, that your time scheduling is very important. I have done a different video on the time management as well. So fix a routine wherein you can give time to these types of self-care. Even in 45 minutes to 1 hour is very good time to give everything. Even if you have a habit of writing, or you have a habit of singing, you have a habit of clicking photographs, give time and have a routine hobby time or productive time in which you utilize that time to self-care. And identifying that hobby and giving that time will make sure that your mind is free and you can take care of yourself, and it will result in much more productive other works which you're doing. The next one is financial self-care. Make sure that what you earn is what you spend. Have your savings, have your monthly plans done. Many of you must be doing, but it is a very important part of being self-care, and it keeps your mind free. You know that what is going to be the next 3 months, and what are your savings, what are your earnings, what are your spendings. There are a lot of apps available to track it. I have also mentioned it before. So make sure that you maintain that financial self-care, which will help your mind to take care of itself and keep it free and keep it not occupied with the stress of financial items. At least 1 week, 1 hour, give it to financial management, and plan yourself that what is going to be my next week's, next month, next quarter. Personal finances I'm talking about. I'm not talking about the official or office finances. I'm talking about purely personal finances. Discuss with your partners, discuss with your family, and make sure that you maintain it. It keeps you out of stress, and it is a part of being mostly very important self-care type. Last but not the least is taking care of work. Now, I know most of you are working from home, but working from home also, I have seen a lot of my friends be in the laptop for all 12, 14 hours in a day or 16 hours in a day. I know there is a necessary of doing that work, but make sure you do proper breaks, and every 2 hours, 15 minutes break by doing something, drinking a lot of water, walking through it, or listening to music. Do something which will take away the stress from you and make you at least stress-free from the work which you have been doing. That 10 minutes or 15 minutes, make sure that you regroup your mind and you can be more productive by taking these breaks. So make sure that you have a proper time management, and you know one day before what you're going to do. I'm sure with the flow of work, you can manage this break, and it will give you a clarity of work also, and you don't have all the time in the laptop, which is not good for your health also, and be on the mobile or something. So make sure that you take a break between your work, even if you're working at home. Even having a black coffee or water or tea, anything will do, but take that break. It'll avoid the stress, and it'll have a clear mind for you to again work after that for a continuous 2 hours. While you're working, please don't deviate and look for WhatsApp messages or Facebook or Instagram. 2 hours of proper work, 15 minutes break, again that 2 hours of proper work. That will keep you having a healthy mind, and it is a proper self-care even if you're working from home. Now, all this, in a way, I have learned from a gentleman called Sachin Chidambaram. He is an encyclopedia of this space, and I have been learning a lot. I'm trying to get an appointment or a time from him to have a detailed discussion for you guys. He's a busy man, but I'm trying my best. Soon you will see a detailed discussion on this space where I'm not an expert and he is, and he's doing a fantastic job on this space. So let's all wait for that time where I can speak to him about it and get more information about it for you guys. Till then, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a lovely day. And please subscribe to my channel, and like, share, comment, and please give any topic which you want me to cover, and I'll be happy to cover that topic. Thank you so much once again, and have a lovely day.